Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to keep inventory in Minecraft Java. This essential guide will help you understand and utilize the Keep Inventory game rule. When activated, this rule ensures that you retain all your items, including those in your hotbar and main inventory, even after your character dies. It's a fantastic way to reduce frustration and focus on exploration or building without the constant worry of losing valuable gear. Enabling this feature is quite straightforward. First, open your chat window, usually by pressing the T key on your keyboard. Next, carefully type the command /gammarule keep inventory true. Make sure the capitalization is correct, as commands are case sensitive. Finally, press enter, and the setting will be instantly applied to your world. You'll see a confirmation message in the chat. The Keep Inventory rule is incredibly useful in several scenarios. It's perfect for new players who are still getting the hang of Minecraft, allowing them to learn without the harsh penalty of losing all their progress. Builders will appreciate it when working on complex projects, as it prevents the loss of unique or hard-to-obtain blocks. It also makes exploring perilous areas, like the Nether or End, much less stressful. While very helpful, there are a few important considerations. Enabling Keep Inventory can significantly reduce the challenge of survival mode, as death carries fewer consequences. This might alter the intended progression and sense of accomplishment for some players. If you prefer a more traditional and challenging Minecraft experience, remember you can always disable it by typing /gammarule keep inventory false into the chat. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.